How to download Blender in PC. So first, go and open your browser, either Google Chrome or Safari or even Mozilla Firefox, that depends on your PC. And now go to the famous search engine Google, and here just search for Blender and click enter. Now go to this website. This website is the official website of Blender, which is blender.org. Open this website here. Now here in this navigation, just search for download, this option and the navigation bar. Now click here on download Blender, and this is the version of the application or the program, and it's 277 megabytes. These are some information. Okay, so click here and just wait, and then the application or the install application will be downloaded here. As you can see, it's 277 megabytes, so just we're gonna wait a couple of minutes until the download getting done. Okay, so now the installation has been downloaded successfully. So what we are going to do here, we're gonna take this installation and put it here in desktop. Even you can find it in the downloads file here. If you go to click on this option and then go to downloads, you're gonna find it, but it's okay, you can use any method. The most important that you got this one here. And now let's double click on it to install Blender. So here is just preparing to install, and here we are in the setup wizard. So we click on next. You need to read this agreement and license and policy, and once you do so, just click on I accept the terms and the license agreement, and then choose next. Once again next, but before you do this, you can even change the location of the program. So for example, you can make it in the desktop in a specific file because you would like to do this, but in my case I would download it in the specific place, which is program files, Blender, Blender 0.35. Okay, here click on next, install. Here you must give the permission. Now click on yes, and just wait some seconds so it's getting done. Okay, so the installation get done. Just here click on finish. And here, as you can see, the application been installed successfully. So let's go and open the application here just to, in here it works successfully. Just this interface, you need to customize this interface to meet your expectations. Click on next, and here it works successfully. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know down in the comments below if the video is helpful, and thanks for watching.